unique to Neff, so it just means all 4 shelves on the full size are at the same temperature, which is really good. If I was doing these biscuits that I'm about to put in, every shelf would cook at the same time, so it's not a case like you know, you'd have to move it up. So Circotherm, you could cook probably 90% of everything in. It's a good basic, well not basic, but a good fan oven. Top and bottom heat. Now, that is something that was there in our childhood. The element at the bottom, the element at the top, and the oven heated itself. Some shelves were higher in temperature than others because it depended how close they were to the elements. So we still put that onto our ovens because it still has a very valid place. Probably not one that you'd use every day, but fabulous for big fruit cakes, heavier cakes that you don't want cooking too much from the outside and not getting it properly cooked in the middle, which can happen on occasions if you set your fan oven at too high a temperature. So for me, Christmas cakes, meringues are fabulous in there. Long, slow casseroles that you want to put on and go out for the day. You'd like to find something left in the pot when you get back, that it hasn't, you know, dried up. Not that that would happen, but the higher the heat and the more effective the heat, then you know, you get a bit more dry. Top and bottom heat still has its place, but probably not every day. Circotherm gentle, I'm going to come back to that, and then there's top and bottom heat gentle. CircoRoasting, now this is a lovely one. So if you were doing your, let's take for example chicken, and some nice roasted vegetables that you've either cut up or you've kind of just washed and put whole on there. What happens is the fan is going round and the grill cuts in every now and again to give it crispiness and colour without you having to baste it with lots and lots of fat.